you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all.
Hey you guys, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today we'll be going prom dress shopping with my babies. I'm so excited. So I'm just take y'all along for a few minutes and thank you again for spending your time with us because time is precious. And as always, we're the family that love life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live life abundantly with God's love. Stay tuned.
Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Make me go crazy. Make me go crazy.
Don't rush, a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Gotta just be honest. I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin up. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out.
Hey you guys, so let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. Rayne and Mamie are in the video today, and we are prom shopping at the mall. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this girls' day out. And towards the end of the video, me and Rayne will be on a mama and daughter's date out. Normally when the girls got doctor's appointments, I make sure they get them by themselves so that they can get special time with me and their dad, or vice versa. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back towards the end. Thank you.
It's a little crush, don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush. To keep it rolling, there's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight, you're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. Crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I be tight. Not tonight, you're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time.
Dipping in the sauce.
What's the sauce?
I have no idea.
Nikki got you doing this?
I was like, have you had it? I was like, no. Oh, you should try it. I was like, okay. It's good. I don't want to hear it.
Stronger just to be together. I love better. Can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond better makes us stronger just to be together.
How you feel about it?
Yes. Something I know. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
May I get an extra sauce, please? Yeah. Thank you. Hella chewy. That's good. It's like okay. It's like I can deal. I gotta do my favorite bring it there. Yeah. It's okay. I will give it a 4.
Uh-huh.
Yep. That's some mama order. Thank you so much for spending your time with us, because time is precious. We are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration to live your life abundantly with God's love. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to click that thumbs up and comment down below, what do you do with your kids or loved ones on their special days. Y'all have a blessed day, and as always, we will see you on the tube.
Monado